Good afternoon, folks. Senator Harris and I just completed briefings on both COVID and the economic crisis facing this nation. And we're reminded again of the severity of this pandemic. Cases are on the rise nationwide, and we're nearing 240,000 deaths due to COVID. And our hearts go out to each and every family that has lost a loved one to this terrible disease. In America, the vote is sacred. It's how people of this nation express their will. And it is the will of the voters, no one, not anything else, that chooses the President of the United States of America. So, each ballot must be counted. And that's what we're going to see going through now. And that's how it should be. Democracy is sometimes messy. It sometimes requires a little patience as well. But that patience has been rewarded now for more than 240 years with a system of governance that's been the envy of the world. And we continue to feel, Senator and I, we continue to feel very good about where things stand. We have no doubt that when the count is finished, Senator Harris and I will be declared the winners. So I ask everyone to stay calm, all the people to stay calm. The process is working. The count is being completed, and we'll know very soon. So thank you all for your patience, but we have to count the votes. God bless you all, and may God protect our troops. Thank you so much.
Well, concise from former Vice President Biden, saying he's just been briefed today on COVID and the economy. His real message is that he believes that when all the votes are counted, he and Senator Harris are going to win. They will be elected president and vice president of the United States. But in the meantime, each vote must be counted. That's the way things work in the United States. David Muir, it seemed as if he was coming out there assuming the mantle of president without presuming it.
Yeah, which is consistent with what we've seen from the Biden campaign and from Joe Biden himself for a couple of days now as we await this vote count, given the historic early vote that continues to be counted in these key battlegrounds. George, you and I were both taking notes here. This was his strongest wording yet, though, when he said, "We have no doubt that Senator Harris and I will be declared the winners once the vote count is finished." I also found it curious that he began with the pandemic. We talked about this last night here while we were on the air. For the first time in the United States in a 24-hour period, more than 100,000 new cases of COVID, 107,000 new cases. This is a raging pandemic. We're now at our third peak, the highest peak yet since this began. And we know from your town hall with Joe Biden and my interview with Joe Biden that he said this will be issue number one. We must get it under control before we can bring this country together, both on the economic front and to unify this country against a very deadly pandemic. So the idea that he would come out, look presidential, as you say, without being declared the winner of anything yet, that is their strategy each and every day with each one of these appearances and tweets.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.